It's 9 p.m. You just finished a full day of work, a commute, dinner, and now you open the charts because this is the only time you have. Here's the problem nobody talks about. You're bringing the most important financial decisions of your life to the most exhausted version of yourself. If you trade while holding down a 9 to 5, this video is specifically for you because your situation has different rules and nobody teaches them. First, understand this. You are not a full-time trader with less time. You are playing a completely different game. The full-timer trades fresh in the morning session. You trade tired at night. They can watch a position for hours. You check your phone in the elevator, copying their style, scalping, staring, day trading every session is like sprinting a marathon. Most part-time traders fail not because they lack skill, but because they copied the wrong game. Let's name the first enemy, the tired brain. After 8 hours of meetings and decisions, your discipline is not a full tank. Science calls it decision fatigue. Traders call it, why did I click that at 11 p.m.? A tired brain doesn't analyze. It gambles and calls it intuition. So rule 1 for the 9 to 5 trader. Your worst trades will always come late at night, after hard days. Know your danger zone. It has a timestamp. Second enemy, spillover. Your boss criticized you at 4 p.m., and at 9 p.m., the market pays for it. A bad day at work walks straight into your trading chair. Frustration looking for a win, stress looking for action. The trade you take to end the day with something good isn't a setup. It's therapy with leverage. Before you open the charts, ask one question. Am I here for a trade, or am I here to feel better? If it's to feel better, close the laptop. That's a professional decision. Third enemy, the 2-hour window. Because your screen time is scarce, your brain treats it as use it or lose it. I only have tonight. I have to find something. So you force trades inside your little window, whether the market offers anything or not. Flip the logic. Scarce time doesn't mean trade more per hour. It means be pickier than anyone else. An empty evening where you followed your rules is a one evening. The market opens again tomorrow. Your window is not a deadline. Now the good news. You have advantages full-timers would kill for. 1. A salary. You are never trading rent money, so you can refuse bad trades forever without starving. 2. Distance. You physically cannot stare at every candle, which protects you from the over-managing that ruins day traders. 3. No pressure to perform daily. Nobody's paying you to trade. You only act when it's actually worth acting. Used correctly, the 9 to 5 isn't your handicap, it's your edge. So here's the system that fits your life. Move up to the higher time frames, 4-hour and daily charts. Setups form over days, not minutes. 15 minutes of analysis in the evening is genuinely enough. You're no longer racing an algorithm at 11 p.m. with a tired brain. You're making one calm decision a night. Is my setup there? Yes or no? The higher time frame turns your lack of screen time from a weakness into a filter. Next, let the orders do the sitting. Decide entry, stop, and target in the evening while you're calm. Place them. Then close the laptop and live your life. The trade executes without you. No checking mid-meeting, no bathroom stall chart peaks, no lunch break panic exits. If the market comes to your level, you're in with a plan. If not, nothing happens. You already work 8 hours a day. Your trades should work while you don't. And here's the part-timer's secret weapon: the weekend. Markets are closed. Nothing can tempt you. And your brain is finally fresh. 1 hour on Saturday, review the week's trades in your journal. Mark the levels you care about. Write the plan for next week. Then the weeknights become simple execution. Does the market match the plan? Yes or no? 10 calm minutes on a Saturday beats 2 exhausted hours on a Tuesday night. Fresh brain plans, tired brain only executes. Put the whole system in one breath. Know your danger zone at night. Never trade to fix a bad workday. Treat your small window as a filter, not a deadline. Trade the 4-hour and daily charts, set your orders and walk away, and plan on the fresh-brained weekend. That's a complete trading life that fits around a job. No all-nighters, no staring, no burnout. Slow is not a compromise. For the 9-to-5 trader, slow is the strategy. So if you trade after work, hear this. You're not a lesser trader, waiting to go full-time. You're playing a different game. And played correctly, it's the safer, saner one. Your salary funds your patience. Your distance protects your discipline. Start this week. Pick your time frame, set your orders, plan on Saturday. And if you want to build this rhythm alongside other traders who also close their laptop at midnight and show up to work at 8, there's a free community. The link is in the description. No hype, no signals, just people making trading fit into a real life. The market doesn't care that you have a job. Your system should.